In this video, I will show you how to download and install Java to your Windows PC or laptop. Firstly, we need to go to Google and search for Java. First link should be Java Form Oracle. Click on it. Accept all and pop up. Now click on big green Download Java button. In following page, check if it's correct version for right type of operation system and click on Download Now button. If Chrome block download, just click on Download pop-up and select Download Unverified File. Then wait a bit. When download is finished, locate File and double-click it. Installation process is simple, just click Install and it will start. Now in Start menu you can see Java files, and in Terminal you can search for installed Java version. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.